Collin,
Yeah?
what is CPF investment scheme?
Our CPF investment scheme is a scheme for CPF member to invest their CPF. You can invest in different instruments. What do you want to invest in?
What's a CPF member?
Our CPF member is do you contribute to CPF or not?
Yes.
If you contribute to CPF, CPF, then you're a CPF member lah. So from there you can invest in like fixed D, insurance, unit trust, even stocks or ETF. What do you want to invest in?
I'm thinking about stocks.
You can invest in stocks, but only a certain portion of the CPF account can be invested in stocks.
Hey Collin,
Yeah.
how much do I need to have in my CPF account before I can start investing?
Oh, you need at least 20,000 in your ordinary account and 40,000 in your special account before you can start investing. What are you thinking of investing your CPF?
Yeah, because I don't know about the interest rates being paid now.
Oh, right now, I think the ordinary account is paying minimum of 2.5%, no? Which is quite okay lah. And the special account, I think, giving minimum of 4% right now. So you need to consider seriously whether you want to invest your CPF. What do you want to invest in? Stocks, the time you told me.
ETF, stocks.
Okay,
yeah.
if you want to invest in ETF, maybe it makes sense because over a period of 20 years, right, STI index average around, together with dividend, is at least 6 to 10% over the last 20 years. So you are better off to invest in the stock market, right, like an ETF, compared to you put it in the CPF, because CPF only give you 2.5%. Of course, you have volatility, so the market will move up and down over a period of time. But let's say, example, this money is for your retirement, right? I think when you intend to retire, at least 55, another
Maybe
30 years?
another 60 years?
Another 60 years,
Yeah.
How are you now?
Hey Collin, how old must I be to be able to invest with my CPF savings?
I think you need to be at least 18 and above to invest in CPF. I'm sure you're above 18, right?
Collin,
Yeah.
so how do I start using my CPF savings for investment?
You need to open up a CPF IS account first. Do you have a CPF IS account?
No, I don't think so.
So you need to go to any of the banks, local banks, and then tell them that you open up a CPF investment account. Then once you have the account link open up already, then you tell the broker to link it to your CPF IS account.
How about special account? Is it the same also?
Special account, no need. You actually just need to go to the broker and tell them you want to use the special account to trade, and then they will be able to do it for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey Collin, about
Yeah?
the CPF,
Don't ask me about CPF anymore.